Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Google Earth Pro on Windows 11. Now I am going to download Google Earth Pro. Open web browser. Go to google.com. Type here in Google search bar. Download Google Earth Pro. Press enter. Click on first official website link. Now our Google Earth website is open. Let's drop down end of page. Click download Google Earth Pro on desktop. Click accept and download. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Let's double click on this PC. Click downloads. Here it is, our Google Earth Pro setup. Let's right click on it. Click open. Click yes. Let's close downloads. Now the Google Earth Pro setup installation in process. Google Earth Pro installation is completed. Click close. Let's double click on Google Earth Pro icon. Click close. I am going to search Taj Mahal, Agra, India. Click search. Let's zoom in. Here it is, Taj Mahal. Let's close on it. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to download and install Google Earth Pro desktop version on Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.